I have here a welding helmet. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Take out this helmet. I'm gonna show how this works, and I'm going to use it as well. So it does come with a few accessories, some extra windows to replace if they get ruined, a battery, some instructions. Let's go ahead and see how well it works. So now that I got this taken out of the bag, you can see on the back it's got a nice head adjustment here, so you can tighten this down on the back of your head once you get it on. You can also adjust these top straps if you need to have it lower on your head, and just adjust things so that it's nice and comfortable and sits on your head where you would like. On the side, we also have 3 adjustment knobs and a mode switch. So it's got grinding mode, and then 5 to 9 or 9 to 13. And then the 3 knobs, you've got sensitivity, shade, and delay. So you just want to adjust these according to what kind of welding you're going to be doing, or the mode. If you're going to be grinding versus actually welding, just set this up however you need it for your welding. So I got everything adjusted on my helmet like I'm gonna need. I got all the knobs adjusted, got the straps all adjusted. Now I'm gonna do some welding and put this helmet to the test. So this welding helmet works really well. It was really nice that it's got the automatic dimming function, so it automatically goes dark as soon as you start welding. It fits the head nice and comfortably, and it's nice that you can adjust things so you can have it dim faster, you can adjust how much it dims so it can be darker or lighter, and you can adjust the sensitivity as well so you won't get any false triggers or anything like that. So it's going to be a great welding helmet for either the beginner, the advanced, or somewhere in between.